Hi, my name is Kyocera. I'm working for Kyocera Document Solutions Europe. Kyocera Document Solutions is a leading manufacturer of printers and multifunctionals, also providing solutions and software for all the document workflows. We use Bizagi for automating our processes, simplifying processes, and we utilize Bizagi to bring some efficiency in our company. One of the good examples what we're having is how we are dealing with our special pricing. We call it the special pricing approvals. So instead of using emails, Excels, we have now automated processes using Bizagi, and we also have now integrations with our ERP system, which makes the work much more efficient. Bizagi allows us to be, first of all, extremely flexible, but also processes are just processes, and the modeler helps us to document them, but especially the studio provides us great opportunities to give some life into it so that people really have to work on those processes, and Bizagi is really helping us with that. I really enjoy working, especially when I need the support. Aside from that, I have my contact person at Bizagi who is always ready to help me. But also the ticketing and the support I receive remotely, but they're really helping out to find a solution for us. We are currently doing two things. One is scaling. So we do have some processes already live, but we need to scale them up. We need to make them bigger, faster. But also the other thing is that we are working on with other departments. Basically, we're scaling our scope as well within the company, so that we can also help other parts of the organization automating and digitizing their process.